Okay, so I've pretty much done the bulk of what I'm going to do out there as far as placing things in the van. So from now on, it'll just be maintenance on the van and, organizing things a little bit tighter there and placing stuff in storage spaces and preparing to go on an adventure. So I'm not going to be really showing much more. Next time I come on, I'll probably be on the road showing you some landscaping out there in this great, big, beautiful world. So anyway, guys, I really appreciate you guys listening, and I will be back with some road trips. Thank you. Bye-bye.